I'm gonna show you how to group your wallets on Axiom Trade. So to get started, open Axiom Trade and then log in into your account. Make sure to log in into your account so you can edit or view your wallets in your account. So from here, all you have to do is just click on trackers right here, and then once you click on trackers, you will be redirected to the next page where you can see all your wallets and main wallets, of course. And here, of course, you will be redirected to the wallet manager, so you can just expand this by clicking on this icon right here, and then make sure that you have to connect your wallet first, and then click on add wallets. Of course, you can create one by clicking on the plus button right here. There will be a default main wallet, of course, but we need to create a new group for your wallets. So from here, I'm just gonna rename it whatever you like. So from here you can add the groups or wallets to your group. So from here I'm just gonna click on this one and then click on an color if you wanted to, of course, so you can decide whatever color. Then once you created there, you just have to click on sample and then click on add wallets. So from here you can add the wallet address, the name, and then the team or the group that you wanted to select from. So from there, all you have to do is just add more wallets if you want to. You can add or import their wallets, of course, via this one. So you can just input all necessary details and then add to the group that you want. So that's it. That's how to add or group your wallets in Axiom Trade.